Setting a weight loss goal can feel empowering and terrifying all at once. Thoughts of all of the changes that we need to make right now can derail us before we even get started. Losing weight is not a sprint to the finish line. For longevity, a few small tweaks here and there can surprisingly simplify weight loss, leaving you and I with healthy habits that stick. Here are 5 ways to simplify weight loss as you improve your health. Juices and smoothies are good occasionally. Make it a point to eat fruits and vegetables in their whole form. Eating fruits and vegetables whole is more supportive for our bodies. It lessens those blood sugar spikes on top of being more filling. Number 2, I know you. You hear counter calories and the rebel in you shows up. Counting calories absolutely unnerves you to your very core. It feels rigid and controlling, but that does not negate the fact that weight loss is impacted by portion control and portion intake. Without ever using a food scale, you could add to your plate 1 cup of cooked vegetables, a half cup of starchy carbs. For bread, that would be 1 slice of bread, and if it's a bagel, then you want to do half of that bagel. A thumb-size amount of fat. For nuts and seeds, that would be the inner portion of your palm, and for protein, the muscle builder and retainer, eat 2/3 cup. It's those little things that get overlooked, and they can actually trip us up and work in opposition to our goal. Take salad dressing. The serving size does not seem to find itself playing well with all the other relevant food I drizzle it on. There's always pieces that are way too crunchy and dry. It needs more. To spare myself unintentional weight gain, I swap out high-fat, high-calorie dressings for things like salsa. Salsa is low in calories and it tastes great on so many dishes. Don't sleep on that. Do not sleep on that. I remember when I was younger with a stronger appetite and digestion to match, I would wander into the kitchen looking for something to eat, only to hear my grandmother say, "Get out of that refrigerator. If you're hungry, go drink some water." That seemed like the craziest thing. I'm hungry and you want me to drink water? The wisdom of grandmothers, right? It worked more times than not. Drinking 1/2 cup to a cup of water before planned or unplanned eating helps tremendously to put a halt to mindless snacking beyond our daily caloric range. Thank you, Mama. You and we're human, thus we are bound to encounter some mishaps along the way. Making less than healthy, unplanned food choices, it happens. Life is full of ups and downs, blaming and shaming, excusing, forgiving, forgetfulness, like all the things. When you go off plan, immediately forgive yourself. Don't ruminate over it. Instead, at the next eating opportunity, get back on track. That's what makes planning so valuable. Comment below and tell me the kind of plan you need in order for your weight loss journey to be successful. Eat well, stay active.